Okay, so at home we want to grab our guitar, make sure we take this part and rest that on our leg. Okay, sometimes people hold it over here like this. We're going to start by just keeping that on our leg. Then we're going to take our guitar pick like this, okay? Kind of like we're pinching something. Fan our fingers out like that. And we're going to start with the low string. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, string mute. String mute. Okay, now let's do some strumming. So we're just going to lightly take the pick and kind of fan down, up, down, up, down, up, string mute. Now do down. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, we're going to start with a lobster claw position. That's where we pinch like this, and I got my wrist bent in the back. Okay, so this would be like you're shaking somebody's hand. This is lobster claw. We're starting like this. Okay, so I got my thumb in the back, not way up there. Pinch. Now I'm going to count my frets. The metal part right here, those are the frets. The number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there's a dot right here that we can see to help us remember this is number 5. I'm going to pinch it down real tight like that with my thumb in the back. I'm going to go for it. I'll bring my second finger down. Fret 6. Go back to the first